Hi everyone, in today's video, I want to guide you on how to block someone on Gmail and automatically delete their email when they send another one to you. This process is very simple. In less than 1 minute, guys, you are good to go. So make sure you access your Gmail address like the one you see on the screen. Now come to these settings here, click on it. You have a lot of information here. Go ahead and click on see all settings. Once you click on see all settings, you also have some information here. And then at top you have different options here, general label, inbox, account and import and lots like that. Then click on this one that says filtered and blocked addresses. Click on it. Once you click on it, you have these two options here. Following filter is applied to all incoming mails. Click on this button that says create a filter. Once you click on it, then you have yourself at this place. This is what you need to do. You need to provide the email address that you want to block and automatically delete their email to your account into this place. Let me provide this one. Once you've done so, you can see that click on this one, enter that email address. So you have multiple email address, you can as well add the multiple email addresses into this place. Then go ahead and click on this one that says create filter. Once you click on this button, then you have this option here, bunch of options from skip the inbox, mark as read, start it, apply the label. Then this is what you have interest in. This one that says delete it, click on it. Once you click on it, then click on this button and say create filter. Once you click on that button and the filter has been created, you have yourself at this place. Now you can come back to this place and edit this. If you want to edit this, then you can click on this if you want the fellow to send email to your address again. Now that I've done all this, each time the fellow send email to your address, the message will be deleted immediately. Is sent to your account on your device. You will not even have access to it unless you come to the trash can or trash box on your email address. That is when you will be able to have access to that message. And that's all, guys. If you enjoy what I've explained in this video and you've not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.